I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Overture's Rock PLA in Rock White. This filament was recommended to me by one of the comments down below. If you got a filament that you want me to check out, be sure to leave a comment. It helps. Anyway, and I'll see what I can do. So I've worked with Overture previously. I like the fact that this is a new one where it's the filament, the sticker's not on the seal, so that's a plus. The filament itself, cardboard spool, has the nice little tabs. Those work amazing with all that. But yeah, I'd say overall this ended up doing well. Nice color, that kind of thing. So if you like... as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the filament dryer for at least 6 hours, and I'll see you back here shortly. All right, we got the Benchy loaded up. So if you're new here, we always print a Benchy in the generic settings for that filament in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PLA. Should take a little under an hour for this one. So we're going to go ahead and get that sent off, and I'll see you back there for the rest of the test prints. All right, here are all the test prints that we did. Overall, all these look very good. There were some issues with artifacts, particularly here on this generic Benchy, as you can see with some of the stringing there at the bottom, and some, minor other issues that we're going to see about rectifying in, getting these settings dialed in. Pretty much everything I changed is down in the description below, by the way. So here's the dimensional cube. This one's printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. Helps determine if there's anything wrong with the printer. There isn't in this case, or wrong with the filament. It turned out very well. No real major issues there. The temperature tower. The temperature tower for this one, PLA has a much wider temperature tower than PET-G. So for this one, I think it was 215, if I remember correctly. 215 for the temperature with as little spikes or little stringing and clobbing on the spike there. Next up, we have the retraction test. This retraction test turned out very well. No stringing, nothing like that. Max volumetric speed test. So I initially had done it up to from 20 millimeters cubed per second up to 28. But that one kept failing. So for this one, I'm going to recommend around 15, just to make sure that there's no real major issues there, and because you would have some deformations, that kind of thing. The overhang test failed at, I believe, about 60 degrees or so. This one's pretty much purely for aesthetics. You're going to want to make sure you have supports, that kind of thing. Anyway, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that Benchy. We were able to take care of some of those artifacts as well as some of the stringing, and we're able to have some of the finer details that were on there. But overall, I'd say pretty good for that. Anyway, over at Amazon, you can pick this up at time of filming for less than $18, which is always a plus to see. No real major, issues. The fact that it's just marble PLA, they put or rock PLA is the way that Overture tends to describe it. But overall, I'd say pretty good. No real issues. Anyway, this is the filament. I think it's pretty good if you're looking for this type of color and filament type. Anyway, that's been Overture's Rock PLA in Rock White. If you're into 3D printing, I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, all the nice YouTube things. I'm a relatively new channel, and it goes a really long way. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time. Thanks.